You're right. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fat Bass TV. I'm drifting over to the bank. Today we're gonna do a little fishing. The number one question I get asked all the time is, hey Jack, the whitebird heavy or the whitebird in general, can it handle blank? Most of the time it's jigs and Texas rigs. I got a couple of my whitebirds, heavy and medium heavy. I have them rigged up, and that's all we're gonna fish with today. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. I know you're in there. There's gotta be a fish in there. Gots to be. All right, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about what I'm doing. I'm going down and flipping the bank with this little creature bait, and I chose this side because if you can look, that is the sunny side. There's hardly no shade on this side, but there is shade all along this side. So I'm just going down and flipping the bank on the shady side, see if maybe I can get bit. If the bass were right here, I have a feeling they would be on the shady side. All right, so I switched over to a baby brush hog, green pumpkin. Let's see if we can get it done with it. Man, this water, it's a little bit cooler than I expected. It's a little chilly. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get it done. There he is. Ooh, that's a big one too. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that one. There you go. Look at that big fat boy. Look at that thing. Look how fat he is. Tell me that whitebird heavy can't handle that. Let's let him go. There he goes. Get off me, Nat. Get your ass, boy. God dog it. In the tree. Get out of that tree, brush hog. I mean, damn. Boy. Do you know any better than that? Damn, boy, get off the branch. Holy cow. Backlash. There you go, son. Gnats, backlash, tree branches. All that, and there probably ain't no fish up under this tree I'm trying to get up under. There we go. Look at that. Come on, boy. Get it, fish. Get that damn brush hog, son. Man, this water's dirty. Good God. There's all shit in it. All the damn rain and crap. I'll have to figure out some way to make me some brush hogs with some blinking ass lights and stuff, so these damn fish can see it in this dirty ass water. Almost together. Look at this alligator right there. See? See a little bitty alligator? Uh-oh. There he goes. See? He scared me. That gummy scared me. That's a good one there. There he is. Ah. There he is. Look at there, boy. There you go. Long fault for him. Damn, boy. Jump. Whew. It has been, let's see, time check. It is 5:15. We've been here for 3 or 4 hours. Second fish we caught. It's probably been a couple of hours since we caught a fish. So hopefully changing colors and changing this lizard is going to change things. Boom! Hold that damn bag, boy. There he is, right there. Felt that tick, and there he was. I don't know why he came off. Hook came out. Might have been a shark. Might have been a gar. Felt like a bass. It ticked like a bass. All right, it is Miller time. That's some good stuff. So today turned out to be okay. Caught 2 good bass. I missed 2. One you probably seen. One I know you didn't see because I wasn't recording. So caught 2 good ones. They were both somewhere 2.5 to 3 pound range. Missed 2, and I had a gar eat my lizard. Missed him too. Anyway, so it turned out to be pretty good. I hope this answered any of your questions that you had about the white bird heavy that some of you have been asking. Can I use it for Texas rig and jigs? Absolutely you can. Yes, this white bird heavy is it's the real deal. For $69, don't let that price fool you. It's absolutely the real deal. And there's one other thing I want to talk about that I've never really shared with you guys, but I want to share with you now. Oh, Lee, I gotta retie. My line is trash. But I want to show you guys how I rig these Texas rigs. I've never really talked about it, I don't think. Let me get my line untangled there. Alright, so I have a little, let me pull you in closer here. So I have a little bobber stop right there. Okay, now what else I have, I use and almost always I use a 3/8 ounce tungsten. 3/8 tungsten. 3/8 tungsten. That's what I use, 3/8. And I have a little plastic bead, and I have a Carolina rig clacker that I put. Let's see if it'll focus on it. If you can see that, it's just a little Carolina rig clacker that I put on there, and all that does is that just gives it a little extra. You can hear that. So yeah, that's how I rig my Texas rig. Every one of them, same way. Every single one of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this answered your questions about the white bird heavy. Any of the white birds, man. Don't let that price scare you. Get one and try it. It's definitely worth the money. So appreciate you guys watching. There's subscribe buttons right there. I encourage every one of you to hit it, smash it. Keeps this channel going. Right there. Right there. Right there. Hit it, smash it. Boom! See you guys tomorrow. Oh, hit the like button too. Hit that like button. Thumbs up. See you guys tomorrow.